Hey folks, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn trainer and coach. Today's conversation is about engaging on LinkedIn. Complete the trifecta. Really, having a LinkedIn profile is fabulous. Having a LinkedIn network that is growing and relevant is great. Those are two of the three legs of the trifecta. We need to engage. It's the best way to create significant value using LinkedIn. So I'm going to share with you 10 ways, high level, 10 ways to engage on LinkedIn so you can complete the trifecta to get the value you want out of this business tool. Number 10, birthday notifications. Ignore the haters. Ignore those people who say, I don't want birthday notifications. Think about it. If you get to see that one of your most important viewers, your target audience, your target connection is having a birthday today, wouldn't that be a great way to strike up or restart a conversation? Worth trying. Number 10, the new jobs and roles notifications. Again, it's a great way to open the door, a great way to start or restart a conversation. Try it out a few times. Number 8, like, comment, and share their company page content. Yeah, I get it. Marketing is the guys that are putting that content on there, and they may not be your target audience. However, if you share or comment on that company page content and you tag your target audience, you tag your most important viewer or your best client, again, another great way to strike up a conversation. Number 7, LinkedIn messaging. Yeah, I agree. It's not the most important messaging tool, but there are lots of people who are on LinkedIn who do look at the messages. And it's at least a good way to reach out and find out who's out there. And so you can get into a conversation with them, whether through LinkedIn messaging or outside of LinkedIn. Number 6, introduce your LinkedIn network to each other. Engagement on LinkedIn shouldn't be all about us anyway. It should be about our network, about our most important viewer, our target audiences, and our best clients. So why don't you do them a favor and help them out? Introduce them to each other. You help someone meet someone they really need to know, they will be very appreciative. Number 5, like, comment, and share their personal content. We all want our stuff liked. We all want our stuff commented on and shared. It's a great way to show them that you're paying attention. It's a great way to show them also what your skills are, what your abilities are, what your opinions and expertise is based on the engagement, the comments that you do on their content. Number 4, immediately engage. Look, when we go out in networking events, somebody hands you a business card, they don't run away from you. When someone looks at you or walks up to you and says hi, they don't just hand you a business card. They want to get into a conversation. At least a simple conversation, maybe a friendly conversation. But at the very least, immediately engage. And when you can, maybe it's a great way to strike up a conversation. Maybe it's a great way to encourage them to get into a conversation. You never know until you do it. Number 3, all the messaging doesn't need to be in LinkedIn. You can use regular email. So when you find that you connect with someone, you want to get in a conversation with them, maybe reach out to them on their email before you reach out to them on LinkedIn messages. Email still is a primary way to communicate. Don't ignore it with your LinkedIn network. Number 2, ear to ear. Conversations, real life conversations on the telephone can be very powerful. I don't cold call, but I call my network. I engage them on the phone when I can. It's a great way to engage with your network. And the number one way to engage with your LinkedIn network, to engage with your most important viewer, your target prospect, your clients, is to meet in real life. When you can do that and have a conversation with them about their business, or with them about anything besides just you, you're nurturing and developing a real relationship. So that when they're ready to get into a meaningful business conversation, you've developed a real relationship with them. One thing I do is I let my network know when I'm going to be in their town. Maybe they want to meet. Engage on LinkedIn. Engage outside of LinkedIn with your LinkedIn network, with your prospects and your clients. It's a great way to find opportunities. If you want more help getting value out of LinkedIn, let's talk. It's really easy to get a hold of me. I hope this little video is helpful.